Hi guys, this is Faizan and you are watching Computer Flex. Welcome to another video on malware series, and this is kind of horrible because I'm going to tell you ransomware story. So buckle up, let's get started. Ransomware is a malware which encrypts your important data, for example, images, PowerPoint presentations, and documents, and sometimes encrypts your entire hard disk or solid-state drive. Thereafter, it locks down your PC files and asks you to visit a given site to pay ransom amount or buy bitcoins for a particular account number. Bitcoin, a form of digital currency which I will describe you in another video. Ransomware pops up a message after encrypting your data on your computer that if you don't pay the ransom amount, your data would be encrypted and you would not be able to regain access on your PC or files until you pay ransom amount or buy bitcoins. Most of the people pay ransom amount because most of the time data is more important than ransom amount, and especially in case when you are totally unable to open official and important documents or even your PC too. This attack took place earlier in smartphones, now hitting PC, means this can threat you on smartphones and computer as well. When you pay a handsome ransomware amount in order to decrypt your data or computer, thereafter they give you a key which decrypts data or unlocks your computer. However, there is no guarantee that your data would be decrypted from the key after paying a certain amount, but there is no way rather than paying because they have encrypted your data with some strong encryption algorithms. That is not a child's play to decrypt even for professional ones. To learn more about encryption, stay tuned for cryptography video series. Now, how to prevent ransomware attack in order to protect you. You are the first person shooter in all security and malware scenarios. If you have a little bit knowledge about malware and security, then it is somewhat difficult to hack you. There are few methods I am going to describe you to avoid ransomware attack. I recommend you go through my malware video series to learn deeply about malware awareness. So if you want to protect yourself from ransomware malicious software, then number one, do not click on pop-ups generated by unknown or adult websites asking you to upgrade a particular software like Adobe Reader. Only update software from official sites, or if you are genuine software asking you to update. When you update software from elsewhere, it leads to install ransomware package on your PC and it then starts encrypting your data. If you are not aware with the aforementioned things, then you will not be able to distinguish between real and fake one because it masquerades like it is an official update. Just avoid software update if a website or a link leads you to a different page or an unknown website's pop-up encourages you to do so. Number two, don't open attachments in mails if received from unknown people. Ignore spam mails and scan your PC on daily basis. Number three, always use updated anti-malware software definitions or use those one which providing ransomware protection. You can use Windows Defender from Microsoft, a built-in anti-malware software package that is totally free as well. Time for tip, better to take backup of your important data elsewhere in a safe zone on daily basis in order to take backup for future. If suppose your PC has become a zombie anytime in future, then just simply replace your hard disk and back up your data instead paying a handsome ransom amount. If you liked this video, then please share, comment this video and be safe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Keep learning from Computer Flex because it is beyond computing. See you in another video.